Avril from AI Platform.
What a way to start with clicker issues. Good evening, everybody. My name's Avril from the Energy Intelligence Platform. I'd like you to think about a 40-year-old apartment building built for purpose in the 1980s. Think about the connected devices we had back then as households. And now think about the connected devices we have today. And the nature of the devices that we have today has changed over time. Imagine if of the 30 units, all of them adopted an EV in the next 5 years. This would overload the power supply and cause blackouts. Strata management and property management companies face this issue every day. Now think of this from a business context, with even more load to manage. Computers, servers, air conditioning, EVs for staff, the list goes on. Electricity and the way we use it in our society is extremely complicated. Demand is only going up, and as we all know, energy prices are going up with it. All of this on ageing infrastructure from, on average, the 1950s presents a huge problem for businesses and property managers. It's also worth mentioning that business energy billing structures are also far more complicated than that of their residential counterparts. We're living in a new world, and we need new solutions to problems that we haven't faced before. Businesses need to optimise their energy usage to plan for this increase in demand to better manage the cost. So how can businesses and property managers make sense of all of this and optimise their energy usage to manage their costs in this ever-changing landscape? Imagine if your building could not only tell you how it uses energy in real time, but also control and predict future usage and costs. That's the power of our Energy Intelligence Platform, or EI Platform as we call it. The EI Platform consists of a state-of-the-art device. It's like an Apple Watch or wearable for the building, coupled with an AI-driven software to not only reveal the energy usage, but also controls demand both in real time. Now businesses and property managers have the data they need and the mechanisms to effect change with the click of a button. We have 3 key features I'd like to highlight this evening. Number 1, demand management controls. By lowering peak demand and flattening the overall demand curve, businesses could save up to 30% of their energy costs, which could equate to tens of thousands of dollars each year. Our second is a personal energy expert. Our customers get matched with a personal energy expert because we believe that the most important thing for society to succeed is people and power. We've solved the power management problem, and we've also solved the people aspect when it comes to power management. We have multiple executed letters of engagement from leading electrical contractors based here in Newcastle, also the Central Coast and Sydney, who will install and manage their own customers as the demand outgrows our team. We've already got sites live with the University of Newcastle right here in the I2N building that we're sitting in this evening, as well as the City of Sydney, Maitland Council, Trinity 8 Marina and Restaurant, and multiple large residential apartment buildings that are strata managed around Newcastle. In the last 12 weeks, we've gone from idea-only stage to commercialisation, growing our business by over 800%, having onboarded 9 customers across 18 sites, and we have 14 future developments that have our technology specified in their design documentation in line with the Building Code of Australia requirements. So why do our early adopters trust us? Our co-founding team consists of CEO Jonathan Carroll, who is joining me this evening, who has over 24 years' experience as an electrician and then electrical engineer, as well as owner and operator of Electrical Projects Australia, based here in Newcastle. myself as COO with over 16 years experience in commercialisation of startups and scale-ups, and our CTO, Matthew Campbell, with over 17 years experience as an IT engineer and most recently 5 years experience as an electrical engineer. Together, we have built, managed and launched thousands of ideas, projects and campaigns for some of the biggest brands you know. We're planning on adding 25 new sites per quarter next year, totaling 100 sites by the end of 2024, and we'll also be launching our beta platform in Q3 of next year. Our business model is simple. We have an upfront fee for hardware installation and a monthly subscription for the SaaS solution that is 1/10 the cost of what we can save our customers. We want to help. So if you or someone you know is interested in installing electric vehicles, reducing peak demand and overall costs, or understanding more, let's connect. Thank you.